So what's cool about computer science is it's almost like learning a new language. What I always tell the freshmen, like, if it's something you think you're interested in, just give it a try.
It's so much fun and it's so applicable to everything. I think CodeHS has helped me just honestly by all the challenges and stuff that it gives you. But as you look into it, they give you so many details and they help you kind of prepare the structure of how to code it, but they do give you a lot of room for your own creativity, and it's not really a specific way to do it. You kind of get to put yourself into it, and everybody's codes looks a little different, and that's what I honestly really enjoy about it.
It's more important than ever to learn computer science because AI is just an accelerant. It's something that has increased the likelihood that you can create something because it gives you so much more capability than you would have had before. But the way that you really harness AI is by having a computer science background. You don't just get lucky and make something with AI that creates impact. You need to understand what's happening, why, and use AI as a tool at your disposal. So I think that now is one of the most exciting times to be studying computer science ever because of the power that you can have with those skills.